All right, welcome to the first episode or project update or whatever you call it, show reel of the design software. Yeah, this project of mine that I've been working on the past few days, and it actually surprises me how good it went so far. It was like a simple test, and I think it kind of works. So I'm gonna show it to you now, and you can like decide on your own. And yeah, so welcome. You see, like we have like a divided screen. On the left side and on the right side are like two different things, and you might ask, what's going on there? So I'm starting off with the simple thing and not this scary thing over here. So I just drag this up right here. So if you are used to Illustrator or Photoshop or Figma, you will feel right at home here. That's like the idea. You see you have a toolbar down here and the canvas here. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can crop it over here, like crop or not crop. And that's like a very basic Illustrator Figma thing. To show you what this does, I'm just going to, wait, no, let me just drag this out first into the half again. So let me show you by drag and drop a image in here. Let me just really quick check what image I'm gonna take. Well, I think this one should work. It's like a ChatGPT image I've made. So I'm just dragging it in here. Well, I can't talk anymore. I'm just dragging in here. Oh, fuck that. And you see it creating two things actually. One thing is this image in here, and the other thing is in here. It created a node. So it might be like scary at first, but I'm going to show you it's really cool. It can be real powerful. So but first, here is like the basic functionality that you are used to. I've made like this Figma Illustrator look. You can rotate it around, you can scale it, you can move it, and it gets like cropped here, or you can turn this off and it's like you can design and you crop it. And one cool thing that Illustrator and Figma do not really have this, and I think it's really handy, is this anchor point. So you can just drag it in here and then rotate it around here. You can drag it here and you rotate it around here. And if you ever think like, oh no, I don't know where to put it in the middle, so don't guess. You can just double click here and it resets. And that's like everything resets on double click. So if you rotate and you double click, it resets. If you scale and you double click, it resets as well. So that's like a basic functionality. Overall, maybe as a backstory, this is like meant to be a mixture between like Blender, Material Nodes, Illustrator, Figma, Photoshop, Cinema 4D, Effectors, and what else? Unreal Engine blueprints. So that's like a wild mixture, but I've used all of these programs, and some things I like and some things I don't like, and I try to bring it all together into this masterpiece or whatever you can. No, right now it's only 5 nodes, so nothing really big thing, but I'm going to show you now. So this is the node, and this is connected to this. So it's connected. So if I click here, it gets selected here as well. If I click here, it gets selected here. If I delete this node, the image here gets deleted as well. If I delete the image, the node gets deleted. I think you get it. So that's the basic principle. It's connected. And you have like some settings over here. You can collapse and do all these things. And you can see all these things. You can like manipulate this through this node. You don't have to. Actually, that's not really the idea, but we get to this, what you can do here. So you can collapse this as well. The appearance is only opacity right now, so nothing really special. But what is the special thing is if you right-click here, you will get a list of nodes. So for now, we have some image manipulation or color adjustment nodes, and two bit fancier nodes. So for now, let's start with something simple. Everyone knows, like hue and saturation. If you click it, you create it. And you can plug this in, like you can drag it out here and you can plug this in here. And what it does is you see the image in here as well. So if you use this sliders, you see you change the image and you see what you are changing. So that's like the original state, and that's what this node does. You always see this preview image. So you have like the whole journey. Like if you, let's duplicate this and drag this in here. And if I change this here, you see like the whole evolution of this image edit. So that's like the basic idea between of those. Let's delete that. We also have levels. It's not really, I don't really like it that way. I want it to feel more like Photoshop, so I'm gonna work on this. But for those who don't know, like levels are here for like working on black, black level, mid-tone level, and white level. And yeah, you can like manipulate all of these things and do some fancy shit, or like just do some color correction like a normal human being would do this. But yeah, you can do fancy things with this. Then let's keep this. I kind of like this. Let's keep that. Then we have also threshold. That's a fun node, a little node I made. It's like just, it's deciding if a pixel is black or white. It only has white and black, 100% white and 100% black. And you can change the threshold level here. So that's like the idea of this. Actually, this is like part of an idea I have, and this is like only the first part I've made. So yeah, exactly. So now let's get into the fun part. That was like the basic thing. Let's get into the fun part. Let's select down here the path tool. Now this is like a normal path tool like you're used to. I don't have Bezier yet, like the curved path, but you can draw a simple path. And same here, it creates, let's drag this here, it creates a node for this path. And it also has like a color. You can change the color here, and the stroke, you can apply a stroke, well, or not, I don't know. I'm not quite sure why it's, oh, it's there. Okay, sometimes it's a bit buggy because I'm just creating this software right now. So yeah, we will find a lot of bugs probably during this whole presentation, but never mind. So we can create path, like a lot of different path things. Now we have these. So, and what can we create with those? So let's drag around here. We already took a look at hue and saturation, levels, and threshold. Let's take a look at mask. Now, one thing that's really one thing that annoys me. I'm annoyed by by these mask setups in those programs. I always like I don't know if probably it's me. I'm the problem, but I always don't get how to set up the mask correctly. Sometimes you have to select those two layers and then click mask, and then there's one layer that needs to be above the other one, but I always forget which one needs to be where. And if you have like multiple objects, the mask thing is like messed up, so you have to group it and then make the layers on top of the other. It's just fucked up, man. I don't know if people like are really seeing through this, but I don't. And I tried to make something that is really self-explanatory. So if you drag out here and select mask, this is the mask node. So I made it like so clear. I wrote this element is inside this element. So that's the way I did it, because it just confuses me. If I don't do it that way, it's just confusing for me. So this image should be inside here. So if we do this, it's inside here. Let's delete this path. It's like weird. And yeah, so if you click on this image, on this node, this path, Sorry, so many words. If you click on this path, you see a outline. What's the name? A scattered outline? No, a pointed? No, I don't care. You know what I mean. It's like an outline that shows where the path would be. And you can move this around and it's like a mask. You can also move the image around if you just click on the node. And you can also move the mask around if you click the mask. Now that's like the basic idea of this. So if you combine things with a node, the node is like the thing. So that's pretty cool. And now it gets really cool. If you make another path and try to do this in Figma and Illustrator. I mean, you can do this, but it's fucked up. I don't know how to. I don't really know how to make this a good thing. But here you can just make a new path. Let's make it like half of the screen. And where is it? Here. Now we duplicate, or like we create a new mask node, and we take the output of this mask. Like that's this thing you see right here. We take the output and this element is inside this element. So if we drag this around, we have a mask inside a mask. So, and it works surprisingly well. I'm surprised. I'm really, I'm honestly surprised how good this works. But yeah, so that's like, you can make a mask inside a mask and you can edit this easily without any pain in the, you know? So that's the mask node. So that's it. And that's pretty cool, I think. And another thing that is pretty cool is the cloner node. Now, this is, the mask thing is like something in Figma and Illustrator, and the cloner node is something from Cinema 4D. Now, this is pretty cool because let's just click on it. It duplicates the input. So if we have like an image as an input, like an element, we can have like a linear cloner here. We can change the count and we can move it, and we can also move it down here. So we have like different things, and it's getting really cool. I've built this today. And it's getting really cool if I turn these things on. You see? We can like create, let me see. We can create like these things. And we also can create like scale things, you know? And I think that's pretty cool. So I can turn this down a bit. Oh wait, I messed up. And I can scale this, maybe some more elements here. And I think that's pretty, oh, you received a kiss. Mwah. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now, if we change this to grid, same thing, but just with the grid. So we can adjust the spacing in here. Yeah, it's the same thing as in Cinema 4D for people who know Cinema 4D. And the coolest thing, I think for me, is the radial thing. Now it creates a radial, yeah, I mean, it's self-explanatory, but it creates a radial cloner. So you can clone things in this. You can also make align to circle on and off. And I mean, with images, it's not really funny, but if we, let's drag in an SVG. I found something online, like a flower. Let's drag this in here. Let's delete the image. And the cool thing is, as you can see, I mean, you can like delete the image, like so, and you can plug in this, and it has the same settings. So that's pretty cool. And you can like, let's do it like this. And I mean, you can do a bunch of things with this, and we can just try to make something cool. I mean, I've built this today, so it's a brand new thing. I will add some features and stuff, but overall, I think that's a cool step into the right direction. And another thing is, let's bring back the image. Come on. You can drag in multiple things. So that's really, I mean, I don't know if this works good, but the idea is that you can like Yeah, you know, it's like buggy, you see. But the idea is to have like multiple things, and you can like stack things together and build like things. Yeah. So, and you can also have like text, by the way. I haven't mentioned that. You can also make hello, a text over here, and type and type and typey. And where is it? Here. And then you can do this. We can also write just hello. Wait, it's not working. So, like this. And maybe doing, well, that's cool. Wait, let me see. Yeah, I mean, you can do like cool things, and you can like, this is the cloner thing, so you can like do this individually. So you can like do this. Maybe that's cool, and you can duplicate. Oh, no, you cannot duplicate. Wait, can we duplicate this right now? Does that work? No, it's not working. We have to duplicate those two. Now that's working. Okay, and then we can do this. Oh my God, this is so fancy. I'm such a good graphic designer. Oh man, that's so good. No, that's actually, I need to work on the duplication. But one more thing. If you use Unreal Engine, you will love this. Take a look at those two nodes. If you select this and then this and press Q, it auto adjusts. Like it makes it straight line. I love this. That's something I love in Unreal Engine. So if you love it, I love it. What? Oh, another thing. I forgot so many things. If you double click on a path, you create a new node, like here, and you can like select this, and then straight it up, or this, and then no wait, that's not working. This to this. Isn't that working? Ah, like that. Okay. So that's all for today. So maybe until next time. So I hope I'm creating some new things. If you have any feedback, let me know in the comments below. I read everything. I answer every message I receive. Every one of you, I will get you. All right. Bye bye.